the hook around the wool, picking up a piece right there, picking up a loop, pull it through. That's chain 1. Wrap it around, pull it through, 2, wrap it around, 3, wrap it around, 4, wrap it around, 5. I'll do 20 of them. Okay, so that's what they call a chain 20, or quite often you might hear it say in a pattern, they'll say chain a foundation row of so many stitches. Like if it's an Afghan, they might say 130, you know, or whatever it happens to be, and that's all you do. So, and you count it every time you pull through. So if I go like that, right now we got 20, that would be 21, 22, 23, 24, 25.